thank you so much, first of all, for being a part of the World Mithai Namkeen Expo 2021. How do you think that the industry is growing post-pandemic?
I think the pandemic has been a boon for organized sector in namkeen mithai industry. Now I think people are more aware and more conscious and more willing to spend for quality products, for standardization, for proper hygiene. This scenario has increased, and I think it has helped a lot to organized sector. और जो अनऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर है वो ज़रूर स्ट्रगल कर रहा है क्योंकि जिस आदमी की इनकम कम है वो भी चाह रहा है आफ्टर पेंडेमिक कि वो अच्छी चीज़ ही खाए और जिस हिसाब से अब हर चीज़ का एक एडल्ट्रेशन का और दूसरी चीज़ों का जो एक अवेयरनेस आ गई है it is definitely going to help organized sector.
Well, what are your suggestions towards promoting the industry on the global platform?
It is very much required now to not just to promote the local industry but to save the traditional namkeen and sweet culture of India. I think we should promote it globally, not just for the monetary terms but also to spread it across, because this is the India, it's a legacy, and India is known for its traditional food, and I'm sure it will be accepted by other people around the globe also, and it is very much required.
Very well, sir. I think that is a very good way to promote it. Well, what are your views on automation coming into the packaging industry?
This pandemic has again proved it quite mandatory for getting the automation done. As I talk about myself, we had just adopted the automation before pandemic, and with just 40% of staff capacity, we were producing 200% of production. So it was possible just because of automation, and for hygiene levels also it is very much required. And I think automation is the next thing in food industry.
Well, sir, you've been a part of the show. Well, what do you think has been different this time, and what are your views on WMNC 2021?
It would be too biased because I'm a part of this show and I consider myself a family. So I have always loved all the shows of WMNC, and this is too huge, too grand, better than last time like always. And I wish all the luck, and I wish that it happens again in Indore and we get the chance to host it again. All the best and best wishes to you and your team as well.